Testing and evaluating ESD vinyl flooring ensures they meet the required standards for controlling static electricity in sensitive environments. Proper testing and evaluation methods are essential. First, you can test the performance of anti-static flooring by measuring its resistance values. These values will indicate whether the flooring is within a safe range, ensuring that static electricity can be effectively managed. Second, it's also necessary to check the grounding system. Ensure that the grounding connections are secure so that static electricity can be neutralized effectively. You can verify the grounding system by measuring the grounding resistance. Additionally, conducting a field evaluation is an important step. Observe the ESD flooring's performance during regular use, particularly in high-traffic areas. Watch for signs of static buildup. Finally, regularly perform these tests and evaluations to ensure that your anti-static flooring remains in optimal condition. By implementing these measures, you can create a safe, static-free environment for your workspace. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.